Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions and video requests, just drop me a comment below. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. Please be a witness for that because I made so far over 200 videos on Shopify customizations just for you guys. I mean subscribers, and some people not even subscribers, but I still make the video for them. So if you have any video requests or any questions, don't hesitate. Just drop me a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. You don't have to be a subscriber. Or actually, I think now you should consider subscribing because this is a very different chapter on this channel. I usually share small customizations and so on, but in this chapter, I will be sharing complete sections and widgets, highly customizable, so you can build your Shopify store without having to rely on those expensive themes or those monthly subscription applications. And if you don't believe me, just check out the channel, man. Check out the channel and check out the latest videos I posted, then you will see for yourself. So if you subscribe, it's your win. If you don't, it's your lose. But in this video, I will show you how to animate the cart icon count bubble on your Shopify store. So once the user clicks on add to cart to add the product to the cart, it will actually animate, it will expand in animation and shrink again. So it looks really good and it attracts attention and it makes your Shopify store looks unique. And again, this code is completely free. You don't have to pay for it or anything like that. Just a like button, that's all I'm asking. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, this is down theme, by the way. So as always, for people that know, I start with completely blank theme, nothing on it. Then each video, I add something new. By the 60 or 70 video, the theme will be completely different. The Shopify store will look very different from now. But in this chapter, as I said, it will be a very different story. I think it will reach that level by the video 30 or 20 because now I will be sharing complete sections just like this one you see right now. As you can see, this is a reviews section that will show reviews from multiple sources, Facebook and Google and Amazon and Etsy, all in one place. And it's filterable. If I click on Google, it will only show me reviews on Google. And if I clicked on Facebook, it will show the reviews only for Facebook and Amazon and Etsy and so on. And it has this over effect, as you can see. So everything is highly customizable. Even the small icon, this one, this verified icon, you can change the color for it. I mean, everything is customizable on this section. And I already posted that video. So if you're interested in this, make sure to check it out. As well as, you know, those pop-up that once you're trying to leave the page or close the page, then they show up. How they can do that? Yes, you can do that right now without using any apps, by using your own code. Check it out. For example, this one is the mouse cursor, right? Let me scroll up just like I want to close the page. Oops, where are you going? It shows this pop-up with timer, as you can see, countdown timer, and it has an animation on it once I hover over it. And this one is highly customizable as well. You can change the background, you can set a video to the background for the pop-up, you can change many things. And this is a section again, a visible section that will only show pop-up once the user is gonna leave. But now let me quit talking and show you what I'm about to show you in this video. So let me access some products from here. Let me access this one, for example. Oh yeah, I just posted a video on showing this widget. As you can see on the below the buy it now button, it shows like how many, it automatically detects how many products are in stock for the particular product, and it shows them here with this blinking animation, as you can see, blinking dot, sorry. So this is very good if you want to showcase how many products in store in a fashionable way. So this is the bubble that I'm going to show you in this video to animate it. Let me click on add to cart so you can see it because I already added. So let me click on it. Let me zoom out a little bit. So I'm going to click on add to cart. And here it is. As you can see, it shows an animation. Let me do that again in case you didn't see. As you can see, this is exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously head back to Shopify dashboard. After you are in Shopify dashboard, click on online store, then click on themes, then click on the three dots on left of customize, then click on edit code. Then it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify theme. And the first thing we're going to do is we need to find the specific file because we need to edit that file. And no worries, it's very simple. I will provide you the code as I said. So the next thing you're going to do is click on the search bar at the top left corner, then type in cart dash icon dash bubble, just like you see on the screen, and you will see this file right here, cart dash icon dot bubble dash bubble. Click on it. Some code will show up. The next thing you're going to do is scroll down the description box and you will see a link, my website. Click on it. Then you will need to download two files. The first one is called same as this file, cart icon bubble. Simply open it with any text editor on your computer. Then copy the code inside it. Then simply select again the whole code in here. Remove it and paste in the code in the file that has the same name as this one, which is cart dash icon dash bubble. After that, click on the save button. Now the first step is done. The next thing we're going to do, we need to find another file. Same way, head over to the search bar in here and type in theme.liquid, and you will see this file right here, theme.liquid. Click on it, and after that some code will show up. Scroll all the way down and you will see /body, this part right here. Let me zoom in on it. Here it is, as you can see, /body. So we need to paste in some code above and before /body. To do that, simply click front of the last thing in here, which is in my case is the closing bracket, then hit enter on your keyboard. Here we go. We have a completely new line to paste in our code. Where you're gonna get that code, same file you downloaded, but this time it's called on theme.liquid before /body. Open that file, the second file, same way with any text editor, copy the code inside it and simply paste it in here. After you did paste the code in here, now we just need to click on the save button. We'll wait for a couple of seconds. We are good to go. Let's just get back in here, reload the page and do it again. Let's just click on add to cart, and here it is. As you can see, the animation happens again. Let me click on it so you can see it. Come on, click. Oh, the maximum quantity. Okay, that's funny. Anyway, you get the idea. And that's how you animate the header cart icon bubble count on your Shopify store, so the user can see something unique on your Shopify store. So if you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.